In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to remove, inspect, and overhaul your vehicle's alternator. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing our intake ductwork and ID plate in order to gain access to our belt tensioner. I'm going to start with these two 8mm screws here. Just break them loose and spin them out. We're going to need to reinstall these later. We're going to put them in our magnetic tray so we don't lose them. Go ahead and spin this one out just the same. Alright. Set that guy in the tray and remove the ID plate. We'll set this over here on the shelf. From here we have two hose clamps to deal with, one on the throttle body and one on the mass airflow sensor outlet. Go ahead and undo the one on the throttle body now. Alright, we're going to use a little wiggling motion to slide that off and perform the same thing over here at the mass airflow sensor. We'll wiggle that guy off as well. From here, if so equipped, and a lot of trucks are, you're going to have a secondary vent tube that's going to run crankcase gases into the intake to be burned. Mine is located right here on the fill neck for the oil system. I'm going to take and wiggle that guy off. Just like so. I'm going to take and set my ductwork aside for later reinstallation. Now that is the proper service procedure for removing your ID plate and ductwork.